My husband doesn't joke with this delicious stew. So today I'm going to show you how I prepared it. So yummy, so delicious that your husband will not resist it. So stay tuned if you want to know how I achieve it. Okay. So lovelies, to begin, I have here with me the chickens I'm going to use, just removed out from the freezer. So to defrost it, I'm going to add enough water and allow it to defrost before I start cutting. So keep watching. So as you can see right now, the meat is already defrosted. Here is me trying to slice the meat to cut it to my preferable sizes. Okay guys, so feel free to cut the meat according to the size you want it to be. Okay, so keep watching. So guys, at this stage I'm done slicing the chicken. As you can see, at this stage is to go ahead and start by washing it. And to clean the chicken, I'm using salt with some apple vinegar. Okay guys, so what I did here is to add some apple vinegar with some salt, then add enough water, wash very well. I wash this meat up to 3 times. After washing for the first time, I use clean water to rinse twice. Next is to go ahead and cut my onions. As you can see, I'm using 2 large onions. Slice it to your taste and add it inside the chicken. Yeah, so keep watching. So guys, after cutting the onions, next is to transfer it to the pot which I will use to cook the meat. As you can see, next is to start by adding my thyme. Okay guys, feel free to add any seasonings of your choice. Then I added ginger and garlic paste. Okay, you can use fresh one, just blend it, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so after then I'll go ahead with my seasonings. I use Maggi Seasonings. You guys know I don't eat any other Maggi apart from chicken and cow browned Maggi Seasonings. Okay guys, then I added salt to taste and a little of curry powder, and yeah, stir to make sure all the seasonings marinate inside the chicken. Yeah, stir very well and allow it to cook. But before then, I added 2 bay leaves, cover to allow it to cook. Yeah, so next is to go ahead and start blending my tomatoes and onions, ginger. In this case, I'm using fresh ginger and garlic to blend the tomatoes to the fresh tomatoes. Okay guys, so keep watching. So lovelies, before I forget, if today is your first time seeing my video, hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Let's be friends by smashing that sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new uploads. I normally upload video on weekly basis. And to my OG returning subscribers, I see you. Thank you guys so much. So guys, continue watching. So guys, right now the chicken is ready. I will go ahead and start frying the chicken, as you can see. Yeah, so keep watching. So next is to start by frying the stew. Add a vegetable oil on your pots, let it to heat up a bit, then add your sliced onions, as you can see, season with a little thyme. Next is to add in your mixed blended tomatoes, your fresh blended tomatoes. Okay guys, so stir very well. I'm using the same pot I used to boil the chicken. If you notice, allow it to fry. At this stage, the smoke is just floating everywhere, guys. I'm sorry if you are not seeing the video very clear. So I added my tomato paste, my tomato puree. Just go ahead and add it in after your tomatoes have fried very well. You can fry it to your taste. So right now I'm going in with chili powder. You can also use fresh pepper if you want. After stirring very well, I go in with my stock water. Okay guys, as you can see, yeah. Next is to go ahead and add in the fried chicken. You can use any proteins of your choice. In this case we are using chicken. Add water. I added a little water and stir very well. At this stage I will go ahead and add my Maggi seasoning. Guys, just check the seasonings at this stage. If you needed to add salt or Maggi or any seasonings of your choice, feel free to do that. Cover and allow it to cook. Yeah, after 10 minutes, guys, look at the outcome of our stew. Is looking so yummy. Everywhere is smelling so good. To be honest, guys, my husband doesn't joke with my chicken stew. Honestly, he loves it so much. So tell me at the comment section, are you gonna try this recipe? Give it a try. A trial will convince you. You can enjoy this chicken stew with your boiled white rice. But in this case, I enjoyed mine with some white rice, beans, and plantain. In fact, all go to go. Guys, white rice and beans is my favorite. For those of you who doesn't know, yes. So guys, this is the final look. You can see me. I have served it with white rice and beans, plain beans. Honestly, guys, this is so delicious. This food is something else. Try it and come and thank me later. So my lovelies, I can't wait to have a taste of this delicious stew. Honestly guys, the taste is awesome. It's sugary lekker. You can see how I was enjoying it. Okay lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Bye.